Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to see the college review on IILM University, and in detail we'll be seeing in detail the cutoff, the different courses, the placements, its infrastructure, faculty members and everything in detail. So do watch the video till the very end, and we'll also be seeing that if there is placement on the campus, so what are the companies that recruit the students from the campus and what is the average CTC offered to the student. So IILM University, since it is a university, it has to offer a wide range of courses, and it was established in 1993. It has been recognized from University Grant Commission and AICTE and accreditation NBA, AIU and SACS. So we'll be seeing what are the courses, and we'll also be seeing the fees for the different courses, and if you want to take admission, how you can take the admission. So there is a request from my side that if you've clicked on the video, make sure that you're watching till the very end to get in-depth knowledge about this university, IILM University. Since this university is located in Gurgaon, so it is located in the IT hub, so there will be no issue about the placement because the location of the university is too good, because Bengaluru and Gurgaon is the IT hub of India and this university is located in the IT hub. It is established in 1993, so it has alumni network present. So it is a fairly old university, 1993 established year. So alumni network is present across India. When you will see the courses, so since this is a university, it has to offer a different wide range of courses, and we'll also be seeing the fees for the different courses and what are the different courses that is offered. So they have BTech on the campus, BA LLB, BBA, MBA, BA, MA, BBA, LLB, LLM, BSc, MSc, and on the screen what you are seeing is the tuition fee for the different courses. So if you want to opt for BTech at the campus, then 10.8 lakh is the tuition fee that will be for 4 years, and for BA 17 lakhs is the tuition fee, and for BBA 13.6 lakh is the tuition fee. And when talked about the eligibility criteria, so you will have to score 50% in your 12th boards exam. And what are the exams that are taken, results of the exam that are taken? So CBSE 12th board exam is accepted, ISC, HBSE 12th board, and since this is a university, they take in CUET exam score also. So for the different courses, you can see on the screen what are the different exam. Like for BLLB, they take in LSAT India exam, and in 12th you should have 50%, and for MBA, MAT and ZAT exam is taken in, and in graduation you must have 50% score. So this is the eligibility criteria, and the later part of the video will be seeing the fees of the different courses, per semester fees, and if there is scholarship available on the campus, then what are the different scholarships that are given to the students. So how you can take in admission if you are liking the university, then how you can get inside the campus. The first thing is you should pass the eligibility criteria. Like if you want to take admission in BTech, then you must have 50% in your class 12th exam, and you should have a valid score in JEE Mains or CUET exam. Even the 12th boards exam will do it, but you must have more than 50% exam. This is the basic eligibility criteria to take admission in the IILM University that is located in Gurgaon, and I provided the link in the description. Do check the link in the description, and I've also provided the toll-free number. You can contact on the toll-free number and talk to the authorities about the admission process, and if you have any queries, you can talk to the authorities. So do fill your details, click on the link, do fill your details if you are interested to take admission, and the concerned authority will contact you. So that is how you can take admission, by clicking on the link given in the description, and we'll also provide you the toll free number. And university accepts national level entrance exam like CUET for undergrad, LSAT, CAT, MAT, etc. for admission to specific courses. And this university, that is IILM, conducts an entrance exam for BTech admission. So particularly if you wanting to take admission in the BTech, then there is a separate entrance exam to get inside. Programs offered, I have told you, since this is university, 20 plus programs are offered in the campus, and the popular programs they have is BBA, BTech and MBA. These three are the most popular courses on the campus. When talking about the placements, I have told you it is located in the heart of Indian IT industry, that is it is located in Gurgaon. So placement, there will be no issue whatsoever regarding placement. If you have talent, you will definitely be placed. And these are some of the stats of the placement what you are seeing on the screen. Highest offered for MBA was 11.75 LPA, and for 2023 it was 12 LPA. So a trend in the growth in the trend is seen here, because in 2022 11.75 LPA was the highest, and in 2023 12 LPA is the highest. Number of students placed 129 in 2022, and in 2023 104 students. Entrepreneur, one student turned entrepreneur in 2022 and 12 students have turned entrepreneur in 2023. Popular recruiters, they have HDFC Bank, Tata Power, Capgemini. In 2023 they have KPMG, Wipro, Deloitte on the campus. And you can see for yourself, what you are seeing on the screen is their placement stats. I have told you whatsoever that if you are taking BTech in CSE or different specialization they have, like data science, artificial intelligence, then there will be no issue about placement, since it is located in the heart of the Indian IT industry. Top recruiters, they have HDFC Bank, Deloitte, PwC, HSBC Bank, KPMG, GLG, L'Oreal, IGT Solution, Kazo, Accenture, Sony and Mercer. So this is the stats about the placement. You can pause the video and see the stats also for yourself. And generally the average of the whole university is 7.5 LPA, and the trend that you are seeing is there is a growth. I was telling you that the trend you are seeing is there is a growth in the trend of the placement. So there is highly likelihood that when you are sitting for your campus placement 4 years later, 5 years later, when you are graduating, the placement stats of the college will further improve as compared to now. So there will be no issue. I am telling you once again about the placement. Location matters, and this university is in a very good location. And now when talking about the infrastructure, I'll be showing you what are how the infrastructure looks. So this is their infrastructure and facilities. They have boys hostel, girls hostel. Boys hostel is off campus, since Noida is a very expensive place. The campus is not very big. They have a small and sweet campus, and the boys hostel is outside the campus, and girls hostel is inside the campus. Sports complex is there, and basketball is available in the campus. Labs, they have different labs: computer lab, skill and innovation lab, library, cafeteria, gym, Wi-Fi room, music room, dance room, AC, classrooms. These are some of the other facilities they have. And yoga center, craft center, art center. So if you are thinking about that the campus will be very big and lush, they have good campus, but the size of the campus is small. The reason being is Noida is a very expensive place, so you cannot build a very big campus in a city like Noida. So it's not far away from the Noida, it's near the city center, so the campus is small. And the reason being boys hostel is off campus is this, that the Noida is an expensive place and they cannot afford a very big campus in that place. So this is how their infrastructure looks. campus building. This is the campus building, and these are some of the glimpses of their campus, what you are seeing on the screen. I'll also be showing you about the fee structure of different courses, so make sure you're watching till the very end. And if you want to take admission, I've told you can click on the link in the description and fill up your details. The concerned authority will get back to you, and if you want to directly talk to the authorities about the different queries you are having regarding this college, then you can contact on the toll free number given in the description. Do check it out. Now let's talk about the program fees and scholarship policy of this university. So for this is what the fee structure looks like. I'm showing you for BTech in computer science and engineering, and they have a specialization in computer science and engineering with IBM. So they have partnership with IBM in one of their specialization, and other specialization they have only computer science and engineering with no partnership. So if you would opt for the partnership one, then year one fees is 2,34,000. 2,34,000 is the year one fees. Year two is 2,34,000. For every year 2,34,000 is the fees. So it will amount to like 9 lakh without hostel fees. So the fees will come to 9 to 10 lakh without hostel. Hostel is not included. And if you would opt without specialization, like if you would opt computer science and engineering, then 1,84,000 is the fees for 1 year. So, and in information technology also they have 1,84,000 per year fees. Robotics and artificial intelligence they have 1,84,000 per year. Biotech they have 1,84,000. So 1,84,000 is the BTech fees, and if you wanting to opt with partnership one, then 2,34,000 is the fees. So on the screen you are seeing the fee structure for different branches. And for BCA is of 3 years, 1,50,000 for year 1, 1,50,000 for year 2, and for final year 1,50,000. So BCA per year 1,50,000 is the fees, and BCA will be completed in total of 4,50,000. And these are the different fee structure for different courses. BA LLB 2 lakh per year, and BA LLB with honors is of 5 years, and 10 lakh is the total for BA LLB. And for BBA in business analytics with IBM, BBA with specialization in artificial intelligence, and BBA in honors. These are the different fee structure. MTech in computer science, MTech is of 2 years, 1,50,000 per year, and MTech in biotech and MTech in mechatronics. These are the different specialization and different branches in MTech, and per year fees of MTech is 1,50,000. For law, if you are opting for law, 1 year law is of 1 year, and 1,50,000 per year is the fees of the law. And management, talking about management, they have 2 courses in management: Master of Business Administration and Specialized MBA. Specialized MBA is of 2 years, and 4,50,000 per year fees is there for specialized MBA. The 4,50,000, and for 2 years the MBA will account for 9 lakh total fees. Masters of Business Administration 5,40,000 is the fees, and bachelor in any discipline from a recognized university or equivalent bodies with a minimum of 50% in aggregate. So if you have a bachelor degree and you have scored there 50%, then only you are eligible to take MBA in the campus at this university. Social science and liberal arts, they have MA psychology, MA applied psychology, MA education, and MA is of 2 years and 1,50,000 per year the fees. And if you are interested in any course and you wanting to see the fee structure in depth, then you can pause the video, see for yourself, or if you have doubts regarding that, you can talk to the concerned authority. Will be providing you the number in the description. Do check the number out. Now talking about merit scholarship. So these are the different scholarship available on the screen you are seeing. For Gurugram campus, they have 100% scholarship if you have scored more than 98% in your 12th boards exam. And these are the other scholarship. If you have given CUET exam and there you have scored 95 and above percentile, then you will get 40% scholarship on your tuition fees. And these are the different percentage. So if you have scored 80 to 89% in your CUET percentile in your CUET board CUET exam, then 20% is the scholarship. For MBA, they have 80% or above in class 12th and 70% and above in BTech. Then or if you have a minimum score of 700 in MAT or 250 in NMAT or 300 in CMAT, then you will get 40% scholarship on your MBA degree. For BTech applicants, if you have 97 to 100 percentile in between that in JEE Mains, then you will get 100% scholarship on tuition fees. And if you have more than 90 percentile, then you will get 50% scholarship. These are the scholarship on the screen. You can pause the video and see the scholarship. Mathiar scholarship, as the name suggests, 100% tuition fee waiver for wards of Mathiar for the entire duration of the program. And sports scholarship, what you are seeing is for international participants. If you have participated in an international competition in sports, then you will get 100% scholarship on the campus. And if you have a medal in national whatever sports you are playing, then you will get 50% scholarship. And if you have just participated at a national level and you haven't won a single medal, then also you will get 25% scholarship on tuition fee. Wards of Mathiar from any of the following organization are eligible for scholarship: Army, Navy, Air Force, Assam Rifle, Special Frontier Force, Indian Coast Guard, CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Force, BSF, Border Security Force, ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, CISF, Central Industry Security Force, SSB, Shastra Seema Bill, and State Police. So if you are a ward of Mathiar from any of the following organization, then you will get 100% scholarship. And if you are girl, then you will get 10% tuition fee on the 10% waiver on the tuition fee. You belong to Jammu and Kashmir and North East India, 10% tuition fee waiver. You belong to the children of defense personnel, 10% tuition fee waiver. And if you are from Nepal, 30% tuition fee waiver. These are the scholarship, different scholarship. So that was all about the scholarship, placements, campus infrastructure, and how you can take the admission, what are the different courses, what are the eligibility for the different courses. And if you found the video useful, if you have liked the content, make sure you are liking the video, sharing the video, and if you have doubts, you can write it down in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to get back to you. And thank you guys once again. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.